In front of me is OPPO Reno15 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can download and apply Apple layout on this Android. First of all, you need to open Play Store and download free app called LaunchOS from Launcher Studio. When it's ready, you don't have to open it, but you need to go into Devices Settings and scroll down. This way, you can access Apps section. Then hit Default Apps and apply your launcher by hitting Home App and tapping on Launcher Pro. Now hit Allow All in the pop-up and enjoy your new Apple layout. If you want to make any changes, you can go into Launcher app and check out all of those options. To go back to your default launcher, go back to Default Home App section and tap on System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!